Now cursed be thee that have ruined our fair land, and cursed be thee that had sealed up our wells, and cursed be thee that abandoned the God's hands, and have built a strange place for the people to dwell. Now cursed be thy breath, and cursed be thy breathing, and cursed be thine eyes, and cursed be thy sight, and cursed be thy hands that have blackened our harvest, and closed the old ways to the joy and the light. Now cursed be thy name, all cursed and forgotten, all cursed beyond memory, place, or recall, and cursed be thy soul, out of nothing begotten, nothing to no thing, and nothing to all. Now cursed art thee that have ruined our fair land, and cursed art thee that have sealed up our wells, and cursed art thee that abandon the God's hands, and have built a strange place for the children to dwell.